Hi, I'm Meg, and welcome back to the Confident Client series. I'm a Squarespace web designer and SEO specialist, but more than that, I consider myself your confidence catalyst for this journey. My goal is to bridge the gap between your expertise and your online presence so you can show up confidently online. If you're new here, this series is all about helping you make confident, informed decisions about your website. I'm not here to convince you to work with me. I'm here to give you the knowledge and clarity you need to be able to move forward with confidence with your website. Today, I'm going to be tackling the question that you may be still asking after 9 videos. Should I DIY my website or should I hire a designer? There is no universal right answer. It truly depends on where you are in your business and what you need right now. This video will help you figure out which path is right for you. Now, I specialize in Squarespace, and Squarespace, like other platforms, was designed for DIYers, so it's totally possible to build a beautiful and functional website all by yourself. Thousands of people do it successfully every day. But possible and right for you are always going to be the same thing. So when might it make sense for you to go the DIY route? So you might be a great candidate to DIY your site under some of the following scenarios. But 1, you're starting out and validating your business idea. You don't need perfection yet. You need something up quickly to test your market and start getting feedback. Number 2, you genuinely enjoy learning new tech. Some people find building a website and learning all the things they need to learn about doing that to be a fun and creative exercise. So if that's you, DIY may be an energizing experience as opposed to a draining one. Number 3, if you have more time than money right now, and this can be a very valid trade-off. Number 4, your business is simple and straightforward. If you offer just 1 or 2 main services, you have a clear target audience, and your needs are basic, a DIY website can work beautifully for you. And finally, when you're comfortable with good enough for now, you understand that this version of your website is version number 1 and that you can always upgrade later. So when can DIY not be a great fit? Well, DIY can stop making sense for you when 1, you've been working on your website for months. So look, if your website has become more of a procrastination project that's keeping you from actually running your business, that's a problem. Next, you're losing clients because of your website. If your current site is turning people away or making you embarrassed to share it, that's an expensive mistake to be making by going a DIY route. And next, you don't know what you don't know. You might be able to build something that looks fine to you, design-wise, but it might actually have serious problems, SEO, user experience, or technical flaws that you can't see because you don't have the training or the knowledge. So if you're going to DIY, you need to learn more than just how to put pictures and copy on a site. Next, if every update takes hours and frustrates you. If managing your website feels like a constant struggle, that's not sustainable, and DIY is going to require you do all of that work. Next, you're avoiding marketing because you're not proud of where you are sending people. Your website should not be what holds you back from promoting your business. So, naturally, this leads us to wonder, well, then when does hiring a designer make sense? So you might be ready for a designer if your business is established and your website is costing you opportunities. The ROI of a professional website is clear. If your time is better spent on revenue-generating activities. Can you make more money doing what you do best than you'd save by DIYing your website? Next, if you want strategic guidance and not just design. Hiring a good designer can help you think through your positioning, your messaging, your customer journey, and your conversion strategy. It's more than just about the looks here. And if you need it done right and you need it done quickly. Designers have systems and experience, and what might take you 3 months could take them a few weeks. Finally, you want to feel confident and proud of your online presence. So what are the trade-offs? So with the DIY, you're getting a lower upfront cost, more of a time investment, along with a bigger learning curve that could come with potential frustration. You might be making some technical or strategic mistakes without realizing it, but you also have the pride of doing it yourself. But it comes with a slower timeline. Now, for a deeper dive on DIY and all the potential pros and cons, you'll want to check out the video I did all about this topic, and I'll link that up above for you. Now, what about hiring a designer? Hiring a designer comes with a higher upfront cost, but minimal time from you. You will get professional expertise and strategic guidance, along with a faster timeline, and the peace of mind and confidence that comes with having an expert at your side. And hopefully, if it all goes well, you'll be building a relationship that will come with some ongoing support and help along the way. Now, as I said before, neither is better. They're different paths for different situations. And you might be thinking, okay, I'm not sure I fall into either of those categories. Is there some kind of middle ground that I can work with? Of course. You don't always have to choose all or nothing, so you could consider the following options. You could do a DIY with a template. And I'm not talking about the free templates that you download from Squarespace. I'm talking about buying a template from a professional Squarespace template shop. Quality Squarespace template shops are also going to provide you with resources to help guide you through the process, teach you some of the SEO basics. Because a highly qualified template shop is going to design templates that are strategic in nature. You also have the option of doing a VIP day or an intensive with a professional designer. And the designer builds your site either over the course of a few days or a week. And then you can do something, a semi-custom site. And this is where you purchase a template either on your own or from a designer. And then they take that template and you give them the content, your images, your copy, and they'll make the updates to the template and customize it for you. So it's the in-between of doing it yourself. You can almost get a custom website without the custom price tag and timeline. These can vary from designer, but you can expect to pay anywhere from $1,500 to $3,500, depending on what they include in their package. Now, here's what I want you to stop asking yourself. Stop asking yourself, can I afford a designer? And start asking, can I afford not to have a professional website if it's holding my business back? Or if I'm not ready to do this all on my own? Ask yourself, what is my time worth? And is this the best use of it? And will DIY give me the confidence to actively market my business, or will I keep avoiding it because I'm not entirely confident in the website that I've created? And am I going to DIY my site because it's truly the right choice for me right now, or is it because I'm just scared to invest in myself and my business right now? Those are the kinds of questions that will tell you what you need to know. And if you haven't already seen it, please go back and watch the video in this series. I'll link it above. That's all about knowing if you're ready to hire a designer. It's real good, short self-reflection that I think you could find very useful if you find yourself in this space. So what do I recommend? Look, I'm here to be honest with you. So my honest recommendation is that if you are just starting and testing your business concept, go ahead and DIY for now. Get something up, validate your idea, start learning about what it's like to own and create a website, and start serving your clients. Now, if you're an established business and your current website is holding it back, it might be a good idea to invest in a designer, whether that's one of those middle-of-the-road options or a full custom build. The ROI that you'll get in time, confidence, and hopefully client conversions will pay for itself. Remember that there's no shame in either path. Whether you DIY or middleware or hire somebody, the right choice is the one that's going to serve you where you are right now and where you're trying to go. I hope you find that helpful. And I hope you'll stay tuned, because in the next video in the series, we're going to be talking about how to prepare before you have your first discovery call with a designer, if you decide that's the path you're going to go. So if this series is helping you gain some clarity, I'd love it if you'd let me know in the comments, and even better, if you'd subscribe and share it with another business owner who might need it. Thanks for letting me be a confidence catalyst, and I'll see you in the next video.